The hustler brings the dollar. The experience brings the knowledge. But the persistency brings the success. Oh, that was kind of deep right there, King. You trying some, ain't you? Run in the drum!
KinggEATEAT, 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 KinggEATEAT. I like chicken, I like beef, I like spaghetti with a whole lot of meat. KinggEATEAT, yeah, KinggEATEAT.
Yes, sir. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Moment, aka KinggEATEAT, and today, you know what it is. You see the vibe, baby. Today, y'all, Arby's got these new Diablo sandwiches. Blessings to everybody in their family today. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Welcome to Team EE's merch collection. We got Dewey EE. We got Face Mask EE. Face Mask EE. Ski Mask EE. Everybody who be asking about how the stuff look, there you go. Bunny EE. They go to Bunny. That's Bunny EE. Huh? Alright. And a lot of y'all be asking about the t-shirts. A lot of y'all ask about my t-shirts. These are the t-shirts. These are the t-shirts, y'all. They stretch a lot. Look. This is a medium. Look how much it stretch. This is a medium. And it goes right back. It bounced back. Good quality. Everybody who wanted merch. Y'all see the number right there. I love y'all. They got the, hold on, let me see. They got the roast beef Diablo. And they got the chicken Diablo. They also got these Diablo fries. Y'all know I had to get these. Now, last time they had these, y'all, they was fine. I can't remember what kind they had last time, but it was fine. I liked it. Look at them fries. Look at them Diablo fries. Them the Diablo fries, y'all. Let me stick these right here for hold on. Let me show y'all these sandwiches. Dump them fries out right there. You can't go to Arby. Hands down, Arby's got the best fries. You can argue a lot about Arby. They got the best fries in the game. Which one is this? Alright, this is the chicken. This is the Diablo chicken. That's the Diablo chicken. Alright. So that means this the roast beef. This the Diablo roast beef. I don't think they had this one last time. I don't think so. That's the Diablo roast beef. I don't think they had them one last time. Alright. So now, I don't think they had that one last time, y'all. Last time I had this. Alright, let me get into these fries first. I'm gonna try these Diablo fries first, y'all. I don't know about y'all, but Arby's, Arby's, what they call strawberry lemonade, fire. Fire. Ain't nobody messing with it, y'all. It's fire. Stir it up a little bit at the bottom like that, though. Fire. Let it get all up in there, y'all. Let it get all up and in there. Mix it all the way around. Fire. All right. Here go the Diablo fries, y'all. All right. Let me see. Oh my God. What? Oh my God. Now these fries here. These fries here. Now, I'm a big fan of the Baconator fries from Wendy's, but these, I prefer these. Hello? Uh-huh. What wrong? It do that sometimes. Yeah, it do that sometimes. Yeah. They can't hear you. Man, bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Y'all, these fries, put a couple of these curlers in here with it. Mix around in there. Them fries, y'all. Them fries got a real kick to it. I can't remember last time this sandwich was here. I don't think they had this one. I think they just had this, the chicken one. So I'm gonna try this. Maybe they had it. I don't know. I don't remember. I like this. Mm-hmm. I like this sandwich, y'all. I like it. After this sandwich, like a 6. That's a good sandwich. I like it. It needs fries for me though. Let me put more curls in here with it. You put them curls in there with it. Let them marinate all together. Now I got me a large Diablo fry. Yeah. I like that, y'all. Alright. Now the chicken one. Don't get me wrong, I think I had this chicken one before. They had something already. I can't remember if it was the chicken. Oh yeah, this look good and hot. Okay, I like the chicken one better. The chicken definitely get like a 7.5 for me. The roast beef get like a 6. But both of these better than that sandwich that I had from Burger King in time. These fries, I'm gonna get these fries a 9.2. These Diablo fries hitting, y'all. For real, for real. Oh yeah. I need to keep them on the menu. Them fries and these sandwiches. I need to keep them on the menu, y'all. I am. Overall, we're going to give it an 8 out of 10. Gotta try it again. Out of the 2 sandwiches, I'd take the chicken one. The chicken just more juicy. Look. It got more of that sauce on it. I don't think they put none of that sauce on here. Yeah, they did. Just not much. It is skeeting up better on me, though. Mm-hmm. Hold up. I just realized something. Y'all know I'm always listening. Paying attention to everything. Y'all know what I just tasted? And that sauce. Believe it or not, I just tasted a hint of 2 times spicy. Mm-hmm. It's definitely a hit of 2 times spicy in them sandwiches. I knew that taste was familiar. And y'all know what else? There's some real heat on these sandwiches. For real, y'all. These are hottest sandwiches. From a fast food place. Mm-hmm. This roast beef one kind of growing on me a little bit. Kind of growing on me a little thing. And it went up from like a yeah, I'll be listening. I always pay attention to watch your surroundings. Deep fried. Deep fried was the winner of the night. I don't know, y'all. Them sandwiches might be a little bit too hot. They definitely some 2 times in these. And who really eat 2 times like that? Cause on AB, go try the chicken sandwich. Or the roast beef, whichever one. Let me know if you take some 2 times spicy in these sandwiches. And I think it is. But you gonna know for a fact if it is. I don't know. It tastes like I taste a little hint of 2 times. I could be wrong, but I don't think I am. Don't get me wrong, they good. These things got some real kick to them, y'all. You don't really just like he like that. You might want to melt with these sounds. Y'all see I slowed all the way down, don't you? Like my mouth on fire. Doing he got some. Oh, excuse me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The more I eat it, yes sir. Yeah, that Diablo got some 2 times. I don't know what kind of bun this is. But the bun might be hot too. He don't need these things. This one from that heat went from a 2 to a 7. Real quick. Woo! Only kind of bun it is. Only kind of bun it is, y'all. Catch up some. Be fried. Cool my mouth down a little bit. These things got hot. Woo! Y'all not like a little bit of heat just like that, man. Woo! I'm telling y'all. If I'm putting 2 times spice in these sandwiches. I don't know if it's everybody's sandwiches or is it the one I got. But woo! Oh no. They got a lot of sauce on it too. Look at that. Look at all that sauce dripping back there. Yeah, y'all. These sounds turned against me real quick. I'm all this heat now. It's just down, don't get me wrong, it's just down. You got some heat on them. Yeah, see y'all. I just got both of them. I had both the sandwich plus the fry. I think I might have overdid it a little bit. Plus, I ain't know it had Diablo. I mean, I ain't know it had 2 times spices. Got 2 times spices, jalapeno, Diablo. What kind of bread? What kind of bread this year? It's red. It look hot, ain't hot. Well, I guess my heat tolerance done went down some, cause I don't really eat hot stuff like that no more. Kind of rough. Kind of hard on me, y'all. But I ain't gonna let no sound beat me though. Man. Somebody had to eat these sandwiches. Somebody had to eat these sandwiches so I can see is it me or am I tripping? Get the roast beef and the chicken and the fries. Eat both of them. And the fries. And let me know, is it me? Or anything really hot. I know I ain't tripping. I ain't tripping like that. Ain't no way. Gotta save a little bit before I get finished. You know, sometimes I be so paranoid. But it be so much stuff happening these days, y'all. You can really never be too safe. Excuse me, too cautious. Because nowadays, stuff happens when you least expect it. So really, you always got to have your head on a swivel. You always got to be paying attention to your surroundings. You always got to have your guard up. It's sad it got to be like that, but that's just the way it is for real. Sitting in your car, pumping gas, whatever. Always watch your surroundings, y'all, cause whatever you got is somebody out here that want it. They don't want to work for it. They want to take yours. So, please, always pay attention and watch your surroundings. That's it. Stick a fork in me, I'm done! That ain't never hot, y'all. For real, for real. I did not expect it. I love y'all. When nobody tell you yesterday they love you, I love you. When nobody tell you the day before that they love you, I love you. If ain't nobody told you in 2022 they love you, KinggEATEAT love you. What time it is? That's all I got. Ain't no more. Time is tight. It's the end of my show. So grab your hand, make a fist, listen to me, and remember this. I tell it to the hot. I tell it to the cold. I tell it to the young. I tell it to the old. Don't want no laughing. Don't want no crying. And most of all, no signifying. I love y'all. I'ma eat that there. Eat. Everybody else, we the gang. Y'all gang. We not the same.